Hello. Today we're going to be looking at something called the dump. It's basically a little cheat sheet for any science assessment that you take this year. You are going to learn about the parts as we go throughout the year. Before you take a test, it would be wise to draw out the dump or the cheat sheet, and you can always refer back to it as you're taking your test to help you out with different concepts. We are going to be keeping the dump in the back of the composition notebook. So if you turn to the back and you open it up, we are going to label the pages in the back with letters. Page A. Next is page B. Page C. D. And E. Page A, go ahead and put the title The Dump, Star Cheat Sheet. We are currently working on the weather unit, so this is the first part that we're going to start learning about. If you turn your notebook to the side and make 4 quadrants, in this bottom white quadrant, you are going to draw this in. Draw a little sketch of the United States. It does not have to be perfect. We have a cold front symbol. We have some clouds. We have a high pressure with like a little sun symbol around it. And we have a low pressure system out here in the ocean. And we made it look like a hurricane. So this is where we're going to keep our running tab of the complete dump. So eventually it will get to something that looks like this, but we're going to learn about it as we get to each topic. Once that is finished, if you can turn to page B. What we're going to do here is make a big one of this quadrant and put explanations next to things so that if you forget what things mean, you have a place to go look. So draw in your United States. Once again, it does not have to be perfect. Over here you have your cold front, and what you want to write is that fronts bring rain. Over here we have a high pressure symbol with a sun around it, and basically that's a reminder that high pressure is sun and good weather. Down here in the ocean, we have a low pressure symbol with a hurricane symbol around it. And that basically reminds you that a low pressure system has storms. And if it forms over the ocean, it can turn into a hurricane. Every Wednesday, we are going to be working with the dump cheat sheets. It will either be a quiz to make sure that you're keeping up with the homework and studying, or it'll be a review where we just review it together to make for sure that we're keeping up with our information. So make sure that you're taking time out to study the dump. Get acquainted with what the symbols mean, what the pictures mean, because this will be a very good tool for you to use as you're taking assessments throughout the year. Once you're finished, good job.